In Python, you can get input from the user using the built-in input function. Here's a basic example. Name equals input. Enter your name. And print, hello, name. Input always returns data as a string. For numbers, convert it using int or float. For example, age equals int, input, enter your age, and print. You will be age plus 1 next year. You can display output using the print function. Here's a basic example. Print, hello, world. This will display hello, world. You can also print variables or results of expressions. For example, name equals Ali, age equals 25. Print, name. Name, print, age, age. Next year, age will be printed as print, next year, age will be age plus 1.